Question number 9 of same DPP level 1, right? See, if suppose we have n straight lines are given in a plane, we have n lines given in a plane, right? And none of the lines like this, none of the lines are parallel, and no three of them are passing through a same point. In that case, if we need to find out the number of parts by which these lines are dividing the whole plane, can be given by the formula 1 plus sigma n, right? So your answer will be 1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Just with the help of this formula you can find out the answer. As far as this question is concerned, this example is concerned, we have taken 4 lines, right? We have taken 4 lines, so n we have taken in this case 4. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Let it be line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. That's it. Now we just come to count on the total number of reason this lines has divided this plane into is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? So just if we use this formula, the answer will be 1 plus 5 1 plus 4 into 5 by 2. So that will be 1 plus it is 10, so that will be 11, right? See, one of the reason we have left. So total number of reason in this way we can find out 11, and that you can find out by using this formula, right? Now if we come to this question number 8, see, in this case it is given that a person starts moving from origin O and it has to reach a point A whose coordinate is 9, 6, right? But by avoiding this point, it's like this. Suppose x coordinate is 9, so there will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and then 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So a person starts from O and has to reach to a point A whose coordinate is 9 6. Either in positive, he will move either in positive direction of x-axis or in positive direction of y-axis. Now the question is, but he has to avoid these 3 points, 3 3 and then 6 4. Means he need to start from O and reach to point A, but these 2 points should not be crossed. So the number of ways by which we can find the answer is, we will select one path which will pass through this point P. So this can be done in such a way that we'll start from A and try to reach this point B. In how many ways it can be done, that's what we need to find out. Then from P, if we want to reach A, find the number of ways in which we can start from P and reach A. So that will give you the total number of ways by which we can start from O to A by P. In the same manner, we can find the number of ways by which we can start from O and reach point Q, and then from Q to A, right? And if there is a pathway, we can find out in how many ways we can start from O, then reach point P, then Q, then A. Suppose if you need to if we get the answer of in how many ways we can start from A, O and reach point A, then we subtract all these 3 cases from this total number of pathways. So that will give you the answer, and the answer will be the final answer in which we can start from A and reach point O by avoiding this point P and Q, right? So now we are left with the question with boxes. If we come to this question number, if we come to this question number 13 and 14 like this. Suppose if we come to question number 13, right? Question number 13, 14, 12. 12 we were already asked in JEE. So 12, 13, 14, they are questions. They all are of similar type, right? So in this case, we have given one diagram like this. It's like this. So finally we have 3 rows. This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. Row 1 contain 4 boxes, row 2 will have 2 boxes, and row 3 will have again 2 boxes. Now the question is, so finally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 boxes. 8 boxes. And the question is, we have to just arrange the letters of the word vector, in which we have 5 letters. Means 8 boxes are given and 5 letters are to be arranged in these boxes such that none of the row may remains empty, right? So as far as this question is concerned, we can easily find out the answer by using this multinomial expansion, and that can be done by finding the answer will be equal to coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of 4c1x plus 4c2x square plus 4c3x cube plus 4c4x to the power 4 multiplied by 2c1x plus 2c2x square multiplied by the same 2c1x plus 2c2x square. We'll get the answer just by finding the coefficient of x to the power 5. Why this is x to the power 5? Because we have to just distribute or arrange these 5 letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, we have to distribute these 6 letters. So 6 letters. So we'll have to find out the coefficient of x to the power 6, right? So coefficient of x to the power 6 in this expansion. Why this is so? Because 4c1x stands for, if we use this one box, so we have 4 boxes in first row, and we can use one of the box, we can use 2 box, we can use 3 box, we can use all the 4 box, because none of the box may remain empty. If we come to row 2, we can use one of the box of row 2 or both, and the same is true for third row also. So that's why we have to find out the coefficient of x to the power x in the expansion of 4c1x, 4c2x square, and so on. That will give you the answer. But we need to just multiply 6 factorial also with that. Why this is so? Because let us say we have arranged these letters of the word like this: F, E, E, C, let us say T, O, R, like this. Now at these 6 places, these 6 letters at these 6 places can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. So that's why we need to multiply this 6 factorial with this, and this is your answer. Thank you.